Download Solara. Okay, step one. Put this. Search Solara. If bit lagging, okay. Okay, money. Yes, yes, yes. Let's wait kay I'm lag kay here. Okay.
Kausap ko po siya kanina.
Ulan mo yun.
Solara. So guys, this wrong. It's latest version for this. The Solara download. Okay. X. Okay, let's X. Just like okay. Okay, this. Download this. Press it. Okay, download this. Okay. After that, it just wait. Okay. Just wait. Okay, just wait. Okay, that download this.
According to General
Press it and this. Just press this icon. The icon. Wait, because I'm lagging. Okay, after the this, please downloads. Okay, this up there. After that, it black. So if black, press this, and this is a download file, dangerous file, and I'm done. Okay. After you download that, you this. Okay, there. So here you there. Venom. Okay. So after that, you did this. Wait, let me out.
Inaasa mo, gatambay dito ang
Okay, so let's wait. Okay, after you download, press this.
That's definitely the fake news po. Yun po ang
Okay,
sabi.
just wait.
That's the exactly what General Torre said kanina po sa akin. That's fake news po. I think even
Okay, let's
the
wait.
director po ng Davao, Colonel Macantan also issued this statement
Oh, you
saying
this.
that piece of information
Oh, like this. Oh, like this.
was fake news.
Press yes. Okay, just wait. Okay, after that, do this. I paid double, sorry. Okay, let's wait.
Motives po ng mga naglalabas po ng mga negative issues against the PNP. Ang lagi
Wait,
sinasabi
okay,
ng
let's
ating
wait.
PNP, siguro ito'y bahagi ng ating
It's just wait, okay.
pagpupuli na importante ay haharapin natin itong mga issues po na ito. At kung meron naman po mga deliberate na nagpapakalat po ng fake news, ay tulungan niyo po kami. Lagi kaming humihingi
Okay,
ng
just
tulong
wait,
sa mga
okay?
kasamahan
Let's wait
natin.
then.
Tulungan niyo po kami na maipaabot po yung mga tamang
So,
information
if
sa
doesn't
ating mga
work,
kababayan.
press again. Oh, press up. Yes. And just wait. Until they like this. Bootstrapper. Oh, did this. Okay, yes, wait.
Get ready to be shocked. Agoda's 20th birthday sale is coming. So
I press double, so let it out there. Okay, this. Getting solar readings. Site. After that, they look like this. Look. Oh. They do like this, so just wait. Let's just wait, okay? So wait. Just wait, okay? Sorry, my mom is washing dishes, so I've been quiet, okay? Just wait because it's lagging. Oh, you like this? You know how to get this? Okay. Step 1, go to Chrome. Step 2, search black script. Okay, this. After that, press read Z hub. Just wait then. All do like this, just this. Just scroll down and press this. After you do that, do this. Control V so they can paste it. After that, launch a Roblox. Launch Roblox first. Just waited. If few moments later, after 1 year, just kidding. Yes, just kidding. Oh, the hair go. After you do that, wait, it lagging. So just waited. Sorry, someone making sounds for the reason. Okay, after you that, press the Solara. If you see this red, just inject. Just wait. Don't press any because it costs not responding. So you can see I wait. It become yellow or green.
Kasabay ng pagdiriwang ng araw ng mga manggagawa kahapon, inanunsyo ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang mas mababang interes sa salary at calamity loans sa Social Security
See, let's
System
wait.
simula sa
Yes, it's yellow.
Ito ay magiging applicable
After
sa
that,
mga
I will
miyembro
join
ng
you.
magandang credit record. Palalawakin din ang pension
Okay.
loan program upang maisama ang mga surviving spouse pensioners sa lahat ng hiram na hanggang 150,000 pesos simula sa Nobyembre. Bukod dito, pinag-aaralan din ang pagbuo ng
So I don't know because nothing, just farming savings. Okay.
loan program upang makatulong sa pagbawas ng kahirapan. Matapos dumugi ng mga maninili ang unang araw ng
So this is you. Okay, let me join you.
at sa mga lang ipitigil ng Department of Agriculture o DA at bentahan ko ang sunod sa utos ng Commission of Elections sa COMELEC kaugnay ng election period. Ang bawat beneficiaryo
So wait, because it's lagging. Yeah, okay. This is you, big. Okay, we're doing a vapor.
sa kabuuan, 500 sako ng bigas at nilabas para sa nasabing araw. Sila BNFA 7
Wait. Baguette. So ring rat upon your introducer. Introduce yourself, Ajaka. Baguette. This is my account. Please subscribe out. Guys, it's loading, so let's wait then. Let's fast mode first.
Pansamantalang itinigil ng Department of Employment Regole ang payoff ng ayuda. Alinsunod ito sa mandato ng
Let's wait.
Commission on Elections at COMELEC na 10-day ayuda na kasabay ng
Search again. So guys, is you nothing. Just view my video, okay. So you can script it. Go video man. Okay, naglag pa man. Oh, it's lagging, sorry. Bruh. And what happened?
Kasama sa pansamantalang ihihinto ang payout.
Is this bro? Wait, let me pause first.
Bago pa man anya ang tutang ban, ay ipinagbabawal na rin ang pagpunta ng mga politiko sa mga lugar na isinasakuha ang naturang payout.
Why you hashtag?
Upang mailayo po natin at maiiwas natin sa akusasyon.
With Ann? What do you mean with Ann? Oh, wait.
Ngunit siniguro ni Sekretary ng Westma na ganitong mga aktibidad
Wait, let me hashtag first.
ihihinto, lalo na at hindi naman anya kung pwedeng itigil ang mismong serbisyo ng kanilang kagawaran. Dagdag pa nito, maaaring maging hamon kung paanong hindi mababahira ng kulay ng politika ang kanilang parusa.
So let's pause first because it's lagging. back. So guys, this TikTok 1 hour bro to still loading. Okay, let's see this. Just paste this. Okay, that's this. Just this. Okay, just wait because my computer lag. Oh, just press and wait until green. Oh, it's green. So you don't need to press this because you already did. Okay, you need is just press this. After you press, just wait. After it done, wait, it done.
Asa sa inyo na kung magkano yung bibigyan niya sa mga nag-aalaga dito sa kabayo.
After you done, just take out.
Subukan, sumakay dito sa kabayo. Kasi bibihira lang tayo makakita.
Okay, wait because my computer loading. Okay. After, why you teleport me? For no reason. Stupid. Wait, okay. Just wait. Oh, it this, okay? So you can do your farm you want. Okay, please subscribe if you want more. Please subscribe for more exciting video. Please subscribe